Okay, now assume this is your cable and this is your connector, the metallic one. You get a knife. What you need to do first is to shape it at the same level. Cut it deep until you reach the copper, going round it. Then you try to break it off until it's off. But when you're cutting, you cut deep until you feel that you are also cutting this copper, so that when you try to remove it, it goes off faster. Then next, you see it is already on the same line. You look at it at this angle. Then you slice round, but not this time, not so deep. Assume you will feel it that you are slicing this outer shell. Then you drop the knife. You see, you make sure you remove this one slowly. It will go off. You don't cut so deep this time round, because when you cut so deep, you will cut these silver wires, which you don't need to cut because they transmit signal. After cutting it off, you spread it like this. They go in the side. Then you have this, which covers the copper. Then just near these silver wires, you want to cut off this one. You go round again. It's like you are cutting the cover of the copper. Then you take it off. It goes off just easily like that. You make sure you don't cut the copper so deep. Then after you get this connector, then you fit it in. Then you start screwing slowly. As you look in the middle, this copper will protrude slowly until all the copper protrudes almost out. But you make sure that these silvers are this side and they do not come into contact with the copper. You see? You see? That's it. Then you're done. After, you screw it on the decoder behind, but you'll be only turning this. Thank you. Try that and we see.